Welcome to the Ridge Outdoors. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Mission 83 Battlbox, so stick around. So open it up with our Swiss Army knife real quick, the Trekker. See what's inside this one. And there we go, looks like we got some coffee. Got our mission brief. So real quick, we got some Black Rifle coffee. I can pretty much get this anywhere around here and anywhere I've been in the last few years. So a little disappointed in that. I do like their coffee. I'll definitely drink it. We have this EverDry mini dehumidifier. So this is rechargeable. Oh, here's the front. This is rechargeable. I guess you can put it in a gun safe or a knife drawer. So something I will use, but definitely doesn't have the wow factor I was kind of hoping for. This is my second actual monthly box for Battlbox. And then we have a fire escape tool. So it's like a carabiner. This guy has a glass breaker, a fire wheel, a couple extra ferro rods for it, seat belt cutter, and then it has a couple wrenches on it for oxygen tanks or like a little camp stove tank. So it's pretty bad when the most excited I am about something is a carabiner. And then they do have a little 25% off thing for other carabiners like it. But we got three things in the basic box. Let's see how much they're worth. So the Black Rifle says it's $15. Most places around here sell it for $16 to $17. $27.50 for the carabiner, which there's no way in hell I would ever pay almost $30 for a carabiner. I do like it, but yeah, I would never pay that much. $15 for the EverDry. So that's actually a pretty good deal. However, that's something I would want to buy myself. With these boxes, I don't know. I'm going to give the next month another chance, but I'm pretty disappointed in this box. Everything by themselves is good, but for a battle box or a subscription box, it's kind of lacking that wow factor. Other than this, but this is a crazy overpriced carabiner. Has a 125-pound rating. If we would have went with the advanced box or pro box, we would have got a headrest and a back seat kind of molly gear system. I mean, these you can put on the wall as well. $50 for the headrest and $100 for that. That is way overpriced. They are really cool, but that is crazy overpriced. We have this Tecto knife, $100 knife. It is a really cool looking knife, and that would be a cool one to have. However, yeah, this one is a little disappointing. Once again, everything on their own is a good item, but I don't know. We'll give it the next one, and we might be switching to Tac Pack to see how that goes. And then if that doesn't go well, I'm just going to buy stuff myself and review it. So what do you think? Do you guys have Battlbox, or what do you think about this box? Mission 83, a little bit disappointing, but we'll see how the next one goes. So thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, and we'll catch you on the next one.